Good morning students. I am Senior Thakur from Kalyanika Public School. Welcome you all to our English reader class. Students, in this class we will discuss about what is it? One Earth to One World. It is your chapter number 4, section 1. Look at this. This is extracted from the writings of an American tribe. Okay, head of the means chief of the American tribe. Here Chief Settle, his name is Chief Settle. Okay, he has the means that time also he had the great interest on nature. Okay, he was one of the person that he understood what is the utility and what is the importance of our nature. Let's see. Chief Settle here, he was the chief of Native American tribe. Okay, and second one is that he understood the environmental values. What was the environmental values? He understood that time also means he understood the values of the environment, means how to use whatever the resources given by the world, given by the nature. And this is there. See, third number is there. He tried to make a way to the people. Means that time he understood the values of the environment and he was trying to aware the people about the uses of the resources which has been given by nature. Here, always in his speech, he used to tell that the earth doesn't belong to us. Okay? The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth and we did not wake the way of life. We are surely strengths in it, and whatever we do to the wave, we do to ourselves. Means nowadays people are not getting that what is the utility, what is the importance of the nature, and again we are clearing that forest, clearing lands for making factories, making many things. So that time he was very much aware about it and he was trying to aware the people of America that means native, he was the chief native of the American tribe and he used to tell the American that how to use and what was the importance of the nature. That time he introduced these things. In this chapter we will know that what is the importance of the nature and what he was trying to tell in his speech. We will see the story in it. Now we will see that you know that over billions years ago the earth was a planet of hot swirling seas and volcanoes. Okay, and spewing fire. Spewing fire means throwing out fire. Okay, before that there was not any living beings we could find inside the earth. After that, on the earth also, inside oceans also, we couldn't find a single living things. Okay, then one day slowly and steadily when it was a world with no life on land. After that, everything was freezing cold and they created the oceans and currents and atmosphere. Means in the atmosphere also, oceans also, everywhere freezing cold. Okay, slowly and steadily you know that if water is present on the earth, it means oxygen also there, means living beings also possible here. So what happened here? How had that turbulent, lifeless earth held within a sea of life? Slowly it started the living things. How? And slowly first organic or biomolecules formed. Okay? Oxygen is present there, means small plants, okay, then insects, small insects, many things means started creating, means seeds of life started. After it what happened? Over millions of years, these tiny living things changed our earth. Means slowly, steadily they spread over the earth and after that the seeds of the were no people, means no living things on land. We can say that no living things on, but slowly, steadily it started the life. And if we compare today with that time, then we can see many changes. It spreaded or totally the living things on the earth and changed the life on earth. You see that what Mahatma Gandhi has told. Mahatma Gandhi has told that the earth is enough to our needs but not our greed. Means if you are showing the greediness, then earth resources are not sufficient to us. But if you are showing only need, how much you need, if you are showing, then you have the sufficient resources which is present on our earth. Here the head of this tribe, means the chief, is trying to pass the message through these lines, and he told that if we consider the impact on the environment, when we decide on where we live, how we use energy in our homes, and what we eat, how we travel, how much garbage we produce, we can have a collective healing impact on the biological and ecological system that sustain us. Here, the chief is trying to pass the message through it and telling them how we can protect our earth. We have to protect our earth by saving resources, and we have to use the proper use the means whatever the misusing the resources on our earth, we have to stop that. We should see that how much garbage we are producing, how much polluting our atmosphere, and the area where we live in, means how much we are producing there, throwing the garbages, producing and misusing the other resources. Okay, we have to protect all these, then only we can save our mother earth. Means Mahatma Gandhi has also rightly said that, means if you are showing the greediness, then earth doesn't have the sufficient resources. If you are not showing the neediness, means you have to fulfill your needing. Means you have to fulfill your need through these resources. You have to find all the things inside the earth. But if you are showing greediness, then you don't have the sufficient resources to fulfill your need. So students, through this chapter we have learned many things, that how to save our mother earth. We have to how to protect our earth, how we clean our surroundings, okay, and how we stop polluting the atmosphere. Then only we can save our mother earth. So students, I hope you all have understood this lesson nicely. In the next class, we will discuss another lesson. Thank you class.